Hi, it's Johnny from Classic Retrofit. We're just looking at the 964 blower at the moment. We've got some development work with replacing the servos here. We've just taken the top off of this unit, and it's quite interesting looking at the evaporator. People always say, do you really need to replace the evaporator on one of these when you fit our electric AC? So let's just pull this one out and just take a look at what sort of condition it's in. So the first thing you notice is this green marks. Now this is the dye that someone's put into the AC to try and trace a leak. So this is quite obviously leaking, this evaporator unit. And then look at that, that's lovely, isn't it? We've got all leaves and dirt just blocking all the airflow. So even if you hold it up to the light, you can't really see through it. So I think the general advice is, whatever you do replace this, because that is not going to help you with cooling your car.